Are we rolling? I'm just gonna lie him back. And the key thing is to have the arms snug at the side and to have the hips loose. So it's kind of an interesting thing about that because in the womb, this is how babies are 24/7.
Right.
And they even sometimes suck on their fingers. But once they're born, the arms tend to start to relax and go down.
Okay.
And they'll fight you sometimes when you wrap them up like this. But if they can get the hands up, they tend to get the hands out and they hit themselves in the face. So it's kind of confusing because it looks like that's what the baby wants.
Okay.
But babies don't get a vote. When they're not fussing, it's great for the hands to be out because that's how he's going to start learning about his hands.
Right.
It's great to put him on his stomach and let him start getting a strong neck, what we call tummy time.
Yeah.
But you don't want him on the stomach swaddle. In fact, there are a couple of things you have to pay attention to with swaddling. One is that you don't want to overheat him. You don't want blankets that unravel, right? Because that could get over his face.
Yeah.
And you don't want him rolling onto his stomach. Those are the main don'ts about swaddling. On the back, babies feel like they're falling a little bit.
Okay.
So they tend to fuss more. I don't know if he's going to fuss or not. And sometimes just rolling a baby over to the side or stomach.
Okay.
Is coming. Of course, this is never for sleep.
Right.
The back is the only safe position.